In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Shopify homepage with a quick and easy tutorial. This step-by-step guide will ensure your video is up and running, enhancing your store's visual appeal and possibly improving engagement for your products. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Start by visiting the My Store section. From any page in the admin area, you should find this option available. It's your central hub to all store-related activities, so becoming familiar with it is beneficial. Next, we'll move on to the Online Store menu. This is located on the left sidebar. Clicking this will expand more options which pertain to the design and functionality of your store's front end. It's essentially where all your storefront customizations begin. The next step is clicking on Customize. This option will launch the theme editor, allowing us to adjust the visual aspects of your store. The theme editor is your toolbox for making the storefront reflect your brand, and adding a video is just one of the many customizations you'll manage here. Once the theme editor is open, look for the Add Section button. It's typically located at the bottom of the Sections panel. Sections are the building blocks of your Shopify theme, and adding one dedicated to video will allow us to proceed with our task today. Now, within the Add Section menu, select Video. Instantly, a video placeholder will be added to your home page layout. This placeholder will allow you to further customize settings like headings, text styles, and decide how your video content will be embedded or displayed. After adding the video section, click on the heading to edit the title that will accompany your video. Your heading should be attention-grabbing, explaining the video's purpose in a catchy phrase or two. Subsequently, adjust the heading size to make sure it's visually complementary to your page's layout. Ensure that it's proportionate and not overshadowing other page elements. If you want your video to play continuously, enabling the loop video option is a good idea. This ensures that once the video finishes, it will start over automatically, providing a seamless viewing experience. Depending on your video's source, you can either click on Shopify Hosted Video or opt to Embed Video from URL. If using a third-party source like YouTube, the URL method will likely be most relevant to your needs. To improve accessibility and SEO, don't forget to add Video Alt Text. This text describes what is happening in your video and is crucial for visually impaired users and search engine indexing. Finally, you have options under Layout and Padding for further tweaking the positioning and spacing around your video. These settings help to refine how the video section fits into the overall page design. And that's a wrap on adding a video to your Shopify homepage. By following these instructions, your online store will not only be engaging, but also optimized for a better user experience. Make sure everything looks perfect by previewing your changes before publishing them live. Happy customizing!